Hi, welcome to the AI Circuit Loop, brought to you by cgcircuit.com, the ultimate platform where creators publish tutorials and assets for animation, visual effects, and gaming professionals. Whether you're diving into the world of VFX or exploring game development, CG Circuit has tools to help you grow. Before we dive into today's episode, here is a question for you. How do you think AI will change the future of creativity in film and games? Will it enhance the process or disrupt it entirely? Let me know your thoughts. Today's episode focuses on a topic that's close to my heart. As a former VFX artist and someone who now works in games, I wanted to take the time to explore a major shift happening in the visual effect industry, the integration of generative AI. The article we're discussing comes from Dominic Lees via The Conversation, titled AI Could Transform Film Visual Effects, but first, the technology needs to address copyright debate. Dominic dives into the fascinating and complex world of how AI is reshaping film production, particularly in visual effects. The possible use of AI in visual effects is undeniable. It could be faster, cheaper, and increasingly sophisticated. Imagining an algorithm that can generate realistic images, videos, or 3D models on demand, cutting cost and reducing production time. This could obviously mean fewer people working on projects. But at what cost? The article highlights the murky waters of copyright law surrounding AI-generated content. Is AI output new intellectual property, or should it be considered derivative, with rights tied back to the data the AI was trained on? Without clear guidelines, artists and studios face significant legal uncertainties. And then there is the existential question: will AI replace human artistry in visual effects? Well, now my take. This disruption is both inevitable and transformative. As Ben Affleck pointed out recently, generative AI will significantly impact visual effect artists, especially in an industry where budget constraints drive innovation. Like the advent of 3D animation decades ago, the rapid adoption of AI tools is creating a seismic shift. Back then, animators who embraced 3D early thrived, while those who resisted struggled. This AI revolution feels eerily similar. I understand the anxiety surrounding potential job losses, believe me. Every name in a movie's credits reflects a person's journey, their dedication, and the years of effort they're invested in their craft. This is a time of profound change, and while it can be daunting, history has shown us that adaptation often leads to new opportunities. The AI tools we have today can be intimidating, but they also hold incredible potential. As I recently shared in my LinkedIn newsletter, the best way to navigate this technology wave is to engage with it directly. I've been exploring coding and experimenting with AI tools myself to better understand this rapidly evolving landscape. It's a challenge, but it's also an opportunity to grow, or at least that's how I'm looking at it. Even James Cameron, a big advocate for the creative process, recently joined the board of Stability AI, signaling a pivotal shift in the industry. While his involvement highlights the potential for AI tools to enhance creativity, it also underscores the reality that these tools are likely to significantly reduce the number of traditional VFX jobs. However, as with many transformative technologies, new rules and opportunities will emerge, many of which we can't even imagine. Staying up to date with how these tools work and gaining hands-on experience with them will be essential for those who want to continue thriving in the VFX world. Adaptability and willingness to embrace these changes will be key to navigating this evolving landscape. The reality is that this AI quake, as it can be imagined, will indeed shake the industry. But like any earthquake, the ground will settle and we will rebuild. VFX artists who adapt now, who learn these tools and integrate them into their workflow will thrive. This isn't just a moment of change, it's also a moment of opportunity. As I wrap up today's story, I want to ask you, do you enjoy deeper dives into topics like this? Or would you prefer more and shorter stories per episode? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for tuning in today's AI Circuit Loop News Roundup. If you found this episode helpful and want to stay updated on the latest in AI, make sure to subscribe to the show and leave a positive review. Also, let me know in the comments, what do you think of the story today, and why do you like it or disliked it? See you next time.